Different color skin is a sign of God. So the fact that there are different ethnicities in the world, from the Muslim perspective, from the Quranic perspective, we're supposed to have respect for different races, just because Allah called races themselves, different colors of skin themselves, a divine sign, a sign of Himself, a reminder of Himself. So when people look at the color of skin and consider someone inferior or superior or a hated race or a loved race, then that itself is a denial of the ayat of Allah. So read all the places in the Qur'an where Allah says, those who disbelieve in our ayat, those who disregard our ayat, those who don't care about our ayat, those who lie against our ayat, those who don't consider our ayat, then this is the ayat too. A person's skin is an ayat too. And you don't respect a person who's a different skin than you, you are disregarding an ayah of Allah. What a powerful teaching of the Qur'an. What a powerful way to combat